Paarsh Learning is back with another course. We bring you Python, which is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. In this course you will learn about object-oriented programming system concepts, exception handling, lambda function and generators. Its language constructs aim to help programmers write clear logical code for small and large-scale projects. Python is a high-level programming language that has English-like syntax which makes it easier to read and understand the code. Python is an interpreted language, which means that Python directly executes the code line by line. Due to the simplicity of Python, developers can focus on solving the problem. They don't need to spend too much time in understanding the syntax or behavior of the programming language. When you get stuck, Paarsh Learning will guide you and help you with your queries.
So what are you waiting for? Book a free demo lecture now. Here is our contact information. Boost your creativity with Paarsh Learning.